Meaning of flibbertigibbet.
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 Flibbertigibbet. The word flibbertigibbet refers to a frivolous or flighty person who lacks seriousness or stability. This term is often used to describe someone who is overly talkative and easily distracted, showing a lack of focus and commitment. Such people can come across as shallow and unreliable, often causing frustration and annoyance to those around them. It is important to note, however, that these traits do not necessarily reflect a person's intelligence or capabilities in other areas, but rather their tendency towards impulsiveness and a lack of discipline.